You're still watching Rotary in Action. Good evening to all of you. It's been quite some time since I was last here. And now we give you our Governor's Corner again. Samantala, bago natin ipakilala sa inyo ang ating bisita ngayong gabi, ang ating panauhin, and let me say in advance, esteemed Rotarian, esteemed past District Governor of Rotary International. Panoorin muna natin ito.
Within 2 months of his father's death, our guest joined the Rotary Club of Mandaluyong in April 1981. After serving as club director and treasurer, he eventually served as club president in Rotary year 1989 to 1990. During his presidency, the club established a high-speed sewing center in Mandaluyong, won the district cleanliness project, and signed up with a sister club, Rotary Club Bucheon of South Korea. He has won his club's Rotarian of the Year 4 times, 1991, 1992, 2001, and 2003. He served as Deputy District Secretary, 1991 to 1992, as Discon Chairman for 1999 and 2001, Assistant Governor for Zone 8, 2000 to 2001. He received the Rotary International Outstanding Service Award in 1991 to 1992 as Chairman of Task Force Pinatubo and Earthquake Food and Medical Relief Mission. He became the District Governor for District 3800 in 2003-2004. During his term as governor, he received Rotary International Presidential Citation for 2003 and 2004. Last year, he was a recipient of the most prestigious award of the Rotary, the Rotary International Service Above Self Award. He is the husband of Charter President Mila Puyat of Rotary Club of Greater Mandaluyong.
Well, that was just a glimpse of the Rotary journey of our guests. Mga kasambahay, let us all welcome one of the most revered Rotarians and past district governors in District 3800 and the Philippines as a whole. Past District Governor Antonio Puyat from RI District 3800. He is a member of the Rotary Club of Mandaluyong. Earlier in the VTR, it was mentioned that about his father, a brief remark about his father. And so for the information of all Rotarians out there, let us know that our guest is the son of the late Senate President, Hill J. Puyat, who was himself a Rotarian, in fact, the past Vice President of Rotary International. And let me tell you, he could have been the first RI President from the Philippines. Tama po ba yan, Governor?
Oo.
So, Governor, welcome po sa Rotary in Action. It's really our honor for you to be our guest. And in the 10-15 minutes or so that we will have this short conversation, let us concentrate on what you do best, and that is service. So, 2 points that we would like to mention tonight, Governor. Number 1 is that, of course, you were a recipient of the Service Above Self Award from Rotary International. And as we all know, this is the highest award that Rotary International can bestow on an individual for, of course, nothing but service. So, paano po ba sa nakuha natin itong award na ito, Governor?
Pagkatapos nung service year ko, 2003, 2004, pinagpatuloy ko ang palawakin ang Concentrated Language Encounter. Yung district namin applied for a 3H grant. I was able to get a commitment from then District Governor Jaime D. for $10,000. And we were so lucky that a friendly friendly district in Japan supplied the 20,000 that was needed to be the seed money before we could even apply for the 3H grant. So, meron kang konting seed money muna doon. You could not even apply without that.
I see.
And that was done 2006. It took 1 year to have an approval. Implementation began 2008 and should have been finished 5 years kasi 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Should have been finished last year. But we implemented it in 4 years. Natapos namin sa 2012. At meron pang natira. Yung natirang fondong yon, we were able to get permission from RI, from Rotary Foundation, to continue spreading the knowledge of the CLE method of teaching in the Philippines. Kanya, ngayon sa distrito mo, Jess, malawak na ang CLE. Lahat yata ang mga public schools gumagamit na ng CLE.
Yeah, Governor. And just so the others are just as well informed, ano po ba yung CLE na program na ito?
Yung CLE ay ginagamit yung pictures to help young readers to read. So, isang page, isang sentence. Isang page, isang sentence. Ngayon, sa umpisa, pag nakita ng mga bata, memory yung ginagamit. Minememorize yung sentence. Pero sa katapusan, after 3 or 4 months, nakikilala na nila yung mga individual words.
I see. So, CLE stands for Concentrated Language Encounter. And this is basically a literacy program to assist the children in schools, in elementary schools, in learning to read. Ganun
To
po.
learn, to read, and comprehend.
And comprehend.
Dahil yung ating reading kuminsan, they can pronounce, but hindi nila alam what the word means.
I see. And well, I'm proud to say that our district benefited from this program. So much so that all schools, all public schools now in Quezon City have been taught the CLE program. And what we would like to stress is that this is a training program for the teachers, hindi po ba?
Oo. Ang kagandahan nito, tinitraining muna yung trainers. Yung trainers naman ang magti-training ng mga guro ng lahat ng grade 1, grade 2. Kunyan, 3 stages yan. Tapos grade 3, grade 4, tapos grade 5 at grade 6.
Sa amin distrito, Governor Tony, this was launched during our term, my term as district governor. But it was the governor who succeeded me, si District Governor Penny Policarpio, that really pushed the program. In fact, it was his mandate that all grade 1 teachers be taught the CLE. And this is a very commendable program and really benefited the children to learn how to read and to comprehend, as you said. Governor Tony, let's move to the second point as in the scope of service. Governor Tony is espousing what Rotary International also wants us to implement beginning this year, that we focus on high-impact, sustainable service projects. Governor Tony, please tell us how relevant this is, how important this is for us Rotarians.
Yung application namin sa 3H grant, yun ang mga standard na ginamit before the application could be approved. Nagpadala sila ng representative here who stayed for about 2 weeks and reviewed all of our assumptions. They double-checked. After about 6 months doon lang nila in-approve. So, mga on the 3rd year, nagpadala sila ng auditor. And the auditor happened to be si PDG Milito Salazar from your district. Kanya sabi nga, ako, feeling ko, kung meron kaming tutulungan, why not yung distrito nyo? At tuwan-tuwa kami sa resulta ng progress ng CLE sa Quezon City.
What about the other projects that you do in District 3800? You mentioned earlier these livelihood programs that you would probably be interested to share as well to other districts.
Ako naman, 4 years ago, under past District Governor Jun Farcon, challenge siya yung aming club. Dahil yung club ko, Mandaluyong Rotary Club, all male. It's a 51-year-old club. At mahirap baguhin ang tradisyon ng club na yon. So sabi niya, bakit hindi kayo mag-sponsor ng bagong mixed membership club? At napakiusapan ko yung asawa ko, si Mila Puyat, to become the charter president. Hindi naman ako nakalibre. Dahil inappoint ako ng governor na governor special representative. So, 4 na taon na ako uma-attend ng kanilang mga meetings. Kumisan, mas frustrated pa ako kay Mila. Kaya, doon na lang kami nag-aaway sa aming bedroom.
Ano po ba mga projects na sa tingin ninyo na ginagawa, let's say, ng distrito nyo o ng club ninyo na sustainable and high impact and would benefit the people that Rotarians serve?
Nung the year I was going to become governor for my district assembly, may lumapit sa akin, nagpakita ng sample, portfolio na woven from used newspaper. Sabi ko, okay yan mabuting tangkilikin yung ganyan dahil talagang makakatulong tayo. Makapagbigay tayong bagong hanap buhay sa mga walang hanap buhay ngayon. So, nag-order ako noon ng siguro 700 portfolios. At yun ang ginamit. Hanggang ngayon, meron pang buhay.
Talaga po. Matibay din pala.
Matibay,
ano po? So, these are bags made from old newspapers?
Yes.
I see. So, this is one project that...
Kanya walang cost. Hahakutin mo lang. Maraming tao, tuwan-tuwa magbigay. So, lahat ng proceeds, yung sale nila, halos lahat napupunta doon sa weaver.
I see. At magkano naman nabebenta yung isang ganong klaseng bag?
Yung mga ganon, umpisa sa mga 250 up to 500, depende sa ganda at sa laki. Ang kabutihan yan, ang training ng mga weavers, 1 week lang. 1 week lang ang training. Tapos, marunong na gumawa. Hindi pa sila kailangan umalis sa kanilang mga bahay. Maaari silang mag-weave sa kanilang bahay.
I see.
Kanya hindi nakakagulo sa pamilya. Talagang ito, from my experience, nakakatulong talaga. Now, lately, through the help of past District Governor Rafi Garcia, who is now a trainer in Aray, napakiusapan siya ni Mila, who is a president of his, na magdala mga 70 or 80 bags sa International Assembly. Nabenta naman niya lahat. Naka-raise siya ng mga $7,000 or $8,000, which ginamit naman ng club ni Mila to donate to the Yolanda victims for one boat. Yung boat namin medyo mahal dahil
fiberglass.
Meron pang motorboat.
So, yan po ang mga examples ng mga service projects na ginagawa sa Rotary Club of Mandaluyong. Anong po ba ang club ni Ma'am Mila, ni Tita Mila?
Rotary Club of Greater Mandaluyong.
Greater Mandaluyong at saka ginagawa sa District 3800. Well, Governor, as I said, if there's any other name that we can give you, it's Mr. Service, because you have been helping so much the communities in District 3800. And we would like to congratulate and thank you. And of course, your lovely and lovable and loving spouse, Tita Mila Puyat. Any parting words, Governor?
Well, ako naniniwala doon sa sinasabi na kung marami ka ng blessings, magbigay ka naman, mag-share ka ng blessings to those who are in need. Kanya, napakagandang movement talaga ang Rotary para sa akin. At in Rotary, ang dami kong mga project na na-encounter dahil Rotarian ako. At kung hindi ako Rotarian, hindi ako magiging familiar sa mga project na yon at hindi ako magiging engaged in pushing and supporting those projects that help so many people. Kanya tuwan-tuwa ako, pasalamat. Tignan mo, iba tayong distrito, inimbitan niyo ako dito para mapalawak natin ang service ng Rotary. Ganyan ang spirit ng Rotary.
Thank you very much, Governor Tony. Ito pong ating programa Rotary in Action is always open to all Rotarians in all the districts in the Philippines and even to visiting Rotarians from other countries. And this particular segment, Governor's segment, is of course open to all present, past, and future district governors. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is our Governor's Corner segment for tonight. Rotary in Action will be back in a while.